When it comes to decorating your home for Christmas, one way to truly stand out is by going for a unique and eye-catching design. Christmas is that time of the year when your home transforms into a cozy, festive retreat, and by embracing bold, unexpected design choices, you not only create a magical atmosphere but also make your space feel fresh and exciting. So, how do you achieve a striking look that will impress your guests and make the season feel even more special? First, let's start with the tree, which is often the focal point of Christmas decor. Instead of sticking to the traditional green tree with red and gold ornaments, why not experiment with something a little more unconventional? Think about using a flock tree that's covered in a soft layer of white snow. A frosted tree has a way of bringing that winter wonderland vibe indoors, instantly giving your space a unique twist. You can enhance this look by choosing a limited color palette for your ornaments. Going monochromatic with white, silver, or metallic ornaments can really make your tree pop. Or you could mix in one or two bold colors for contrast, like deep blue, emerald green, or even fuchsia for a striking visual. Another way to make your Christmas decorations stand out is by focusing on textures. Texture adds depth and interest to your space, and for the holidays, you can play with everything from velvet to faux fur, to natural elements like pine cones and wood. Try incorporating plush velvet ribbon into your tree decor, or as part of your gift wrapping. Velvet has a luxurious feel and a rich appearance that instantly elevates the look of any space. You could also scatter faux fur throws or pillows on your couch or chairs for an inviting, cozy atmosphere. Adding wooden or woven elements in your centerpieces or on your mantle can bring a rustic, yet elegant feel to your home, balancing out the glitz and glam. Lighting is another important factor in creating a striking Christmas display. While classic warm white lights are beautiful, try incorporating statement lighting like oversized bulb lights, or even string lights in different shapes or colors. Some people love to mix it up with fairy lights draped in unexpected places, like framing mirrors, winding around banisters, or tucked into large glass jars as part of table decor. This creates a warm, whimsical effect that draws the eye and feels festive without being over the top. Candles, especially in varying sizes, are another excellent way to enhance the lighting in your space. Placing candles along the mantle, or as part of your dining table centerpiece, gives a soft glow that feels intimate and welcoming. Your dining table is another opportunity to showcase a unique Christmas design. Imagine a beautiful table setting that mixes metallic accents, bold colors, and organic elements. For instance, you could layer gold chargers with dark, elegant dinnerware and top it off with a striking centerpiece made of eucalyptus branches and bold flowers, such as deep red roses or even black calla lilies for a dramatic effect. Crystal glassware or metallic rimmed dishes can add an extra sparkle. If you want to keep it playful, use unexpected items like oversized candy canes or gingerbread cookies as part of your table setting. This makes the decor fun and memorable, and it can even double as take-home treats for your guests. When thinking about making a Christmas design truly eye-catching, don't forget to pay attention to your entryway. First impressions matter, and setting the tone as soon as people step through your door is key. Consider decorating your front door with a non-traditional wreath. Instead of greenery, go for something modern, like a wreath made entirely of ornaments, feathers, or even dried flowers. You could also string lights or hang garlands around the entryway to welcome guests with a festive glow. Another idea is to place potted mini Christmas trees or lanterns on either side of your door to create a charming and cohesive look from the outside in. Another space that often gets overlooked, but has great potential for a unique design, is the ceiling. Yes, the ceiling. Hanging decorations from the ceiling can add a surprising element to your holiday decor. Imagine suspending ornaments, stars, or even fairy lights from above to create the feeling of walking through a magical, floating wonderland. This is especially great in dining or living areas where people can enjoy the decorations from a new angle. It's unexpected, and that's what makes it so striking. One of the major benefits of decorating your home with an eye-catching Christmas design is that it creates a lasting impression. When you opt for something bold, fresh, and different, your home becomes the talk of your holiday gatherings. It also gives you the chance to express your personal style. While traditional Christmas decorations are beautiful and timeless, mixing things up allows you to infuse your home with your unique personality and creativity. And because these kinds of designs often stand out, they can make your holiday photos look absolutely stunning, capturing memories in a setting that feels extra special. Another advantage is that bold, unique decor doesn't have to be expensive. You can achieve a striking look on any budget by being selective and creative. For instance, DIY projects can play a big part in creating something unique. Crafting your own ornaments, wreaths, or garlands out of inexpensive materials like paper, ribbon, or natural items like pine cones can save you money while giving your home a personalized touch. In fact, many eye-catching designs are successful not because they are filled with expensive items, but because they are thoughtful, cohesive, and well-planned. Sometimes, just rearranging or repurposing items you already have can create a whole new look without spending a lot. As you continue to explore ways to elevate your Christmas decor, consider integrating personalized touches that reflect your family's traditions, hobbies, or memories. Customization adds another layer of uniqueness to your design, and it's these little details that can make your home feel truly one of a kind. For example, you can create personalized ornaments using family photos, monograms, or favorite holiday quotes. These ornaments can either be hung on the tree or displayed on shelves, or in shadow boxes as part of your overall decor. It's a fun way to bring a sense of history and personal connection into your space, making your decorations not only visually stunning, but also meaningful. Don't overlook the power of scent in creating a memorable holiday atmosphere. Beyond what people see, what they smell plays a huge role in the overall experience. You can enhance your Christmas design by adding scented elements like pine-scented candles, cinnamon sticks, or cloves placed in bowls around the house. This sensory layer complements the visual beauty of your decor and evokes the warm, nostalgic feelings associated with Christmas. Imagine walking into a home that not only dazzles with its decor, but also envelopes you in the comforting scent of the holiday season. Another area where you can add a striking design element is through wall decor. If you have large blank walls, this can be a great canvas for creativity. Try hanging oversized ornaments, a series of framed holiday prints, or even a beautiful tapestry with a winter theme. You could also use string lights to spell out festive words or create shapes like stars or trees on the wall. The key is to keep it cohesive with the rest of your decor, while making it a focal point that adds to the overall atmosphere. One more suggestion for an eye-catching design is to think about movement and dimension. Static decorations are beautiful, but adding elements that move or change can create a dynamic experience. Think of rotating tree stands where your tree slowly spins, showing off all sides of its decor. Or perhaps incorporating decor that involves motion, like a snow globe, a train circling around the base of your tree, or even an interactive advent calendar where each day reveals a new mini decoration or treat. These details not only capture attention, but also engage people in a way that static decor might not. Speaking of engaging, the interactive aspect of your design can be expanded by creating spaces where guests can participate. For instance, a decorate your own ornament station at a holiday party can be a fun and memorable way for friends and family to contribute to the decor while creating something special to take home. This level of involvement not only makes your home more festive, but also gives everyone a personal connection to the holiday setup. Finally, one of the best parts about decorating your home with a striking Christmas design is the feeling it brings. When your space feels festive and beautiful, it enhances the overall holiday experience. It becomes more than just decoration. It creates an ambience that lifts everyone's spirits. The magic of Christmas is in the details, and when you put in the effort to create something special, you not only get to enjoy it yourself but also share that joy with your family and friends. So, as you plan your Christmas decor this year, don't be afraid to think outside the box. Embrace the bold, the beautiful, and the unexpected. Whether it's through a non-traditional color palette, unique textures, statement lighting, or DIY touches, there are so many ways to make your home stand out and feel magical. Not only will it make the season feel extra special, but it will also leave a lasting impression, creating memories that shine as brightly as the decorations themselves.